Adom Akufo-Addo se enkrata bibia ya ebema ho kwan na national service yes scheme no abey authority no de womo eguso ya womo ye nchakra no womo no bekom na hwebedwafiem no womo so famu de ye wo so womo ye no womo so age atum na fei eye national service secretariat no so ay authority wagina brane Adom Kasee etwaso
Dada Akufo-Addo Kasee ewo National Service Scheme womo 50th anniversary celebration ekoso ewo nkran no wodi tudwa se womo di nhihye egu akwan mu a womo ekruchi niema egu nkrata so a womo ehwe enim se bekopie mu ewo mrahye bedwam na National Service Scheme no sese no ababeye authority se ne womo nyumedi a womo eye wo ho no womo ebetimi ahye mu kina.
The NSS is poised for comprehensive transformation. Recognizing the evolving global landscape and the imperative for sustainable development, my administration is committed to elevating the scheme beyond its critical current role. Through strategic organizational development, the scheme will transition to a dynamic agent, molding young talents for the workforce.
Mrashebedwem Chiame Right Honorable Aban Kingsford Sumana Gbagbin a ono nso ebekasa ye wo dwumedie no ase no ede to omanfo anim se womunya hweye pa se womo ebetwe omo afri anamo a womo etu a omanfo ebeye national service ewo nwuma ahodo mu a womo esoma saafo no te se de womo eye balabala foi saafoi ekoye womo service ewo enwuma ku ahodo mu a womo hwe se womo beye omanfo awa tu na womo etimi abom osan de futuo ema mabununu se womo hwe se womo de womo ho behye ko adwumam.
We must offer services and offer the youth the opportunities in key areas that can anchor sustainable development in our nation.
Executive Director Emma National Service Scheme or say asibe entry enso editudwa se eka wodo a womo ede womanfo a womo ye national service bi enche bia no womo ebehwe na womo etua ede ama womanfo yi.
Mr. President, now there is a program, and the new program is that we have now selected a bunch of graduates, very experts in the area of mathematics, and again we have also selected those who are very sharp in the area of accounting and those who are good in the area of ICT. Then the supply chain. What are we going to do with them? It's an accounting aid. Lawyers here do understand that we have a legal aid. So we have also introduced accounting aid to support the informal sector, to formalize it.